Welcome to Advanced Hair Studio. Today, we explore how frequent travel affects hair health and what you can do to protect your hair on the go. For many, frequent travel is a way of life, whether for business or leisure. However, this jet-set lifestyle can take a toll on your hair. Traveling often means moving between different climates. These rapid changes can dry out your hair and scalp, leading to breakage and hair loss. The dry air in airplane cabins can dehydrate your hair, making it brittle and more prone to damage. Different water qualities, from hard water to chlorinated pool water, can strip your hair of its natural oils, leading to dryness and breakage. Frequent travel often disrupts your daily routine. Irregular sleep, diet, and hair care habits can contribute to hair loss and poor hair health. Jet lag and travel stress can increase cortisol levels in your body, which is linked to hair loss. Fortunately, there are steps you can take to protect your hair while traveling. Stay hydrated by drinking plenty of water and using hydrating hair products like leave-in conditioners and hair masks. Protective hairstyles can help minimize damage. Try braids, buns, or twists to keep your hair safe from the elements. Prepare a travel-friendly hair care kit with your essential products to maintain your hair routine wherever you go. Adapt to local water quality by using water filters or washing your hair with bottled water to avoid harsh water damage. Maintain a balanced diet rich in vitamins and minerals to support hair health, even when your travel schedule is hectic. For personalized advice and solutions, consult with Advanced Hair Studio. Our experts can recommend products and routines tailored to your travel needs. Hear from our clients who have successfully maintained their hair health while traveling with our expert tips and products.
Hello, my name is Mohammed Naim Salama, and I had a lot of problems with my hair. I was losing hair, and I found Advanced Hair Studios, and I went there and I talked to the hair specialist, and yeah, after 1 year I had the hair transformation, and it's really good. I'm really happy.
Visit Advanced Hair Studio today to explore personalized solutions for hair care on the go. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more educational videos on hair health.